Good morning. SC500 post repair test. We replaced the actuator and, or they call it the jack screw. Replaced the supports, and those were installed incorrectly. Also, we did the sight tube. Now that you can see how much water is contained in there. One of the things I noticed was the chemical filter. Actually, they shouldn't have been putting chemical in this machine all along, but this is getting filled up with old decayed pieces of chemical, and it's getting stuck on the screen, and doesn't take long. But also these guys need to rotate their blades. I got a spare set of blades so they can be rotated first. Also, it looks like they're picking up some slurry. I don't know if they're doing any stripping. Stripping is forbidden with auto scrubbers. Should be side-by-sides and wet dry vacs. So also there's an issue possibly with the battery. So I'm gonna check the charger out and see if it's operational, but we're gonna check out the... So, got solution coming down, and we're picking it up. Okay, so most important, turn this off. Most important, the users are going to have to remember to pull the pad driver off. We want the pad driver to dry naturally, and I showed Ernie what happens when it stays wet. It warps and it will cause the deck to bounce, or a lot of vibration, excessive noise. So with that said, looks like we got a job well done. Also, one last thing, this squeegee shouldn't look like this. It should be cleaned. There's a lot of soil on here from some kind of top scrub. They're not cleaning it up after use. So in order to get the most maximum water lift, it's very important that this is cleaned and the blades are then rotated